The Chevrolet Avalanche merges a pickup truck with an SUV, a trend at this year's showcase. Its rear seats and midgate fold, extending the 5 feet 3 inches truck bed to 8 feet 1 inches, and the width of the bed allows you to carry up to 8 sheets of plywood. Armored body cladding creates a tough appearance, complemented by a sail panel smoothing the cab-to-cargo transition. This panel serves a structural purpose, enhancing body stiffness for better integrity and ride quality. Lead designer John Carfaro notes the Vortec 5300 V8 engine and 4-speed automatic 4WD transmission powering this 5-passenger vehicle.